Hello students, now today we shall discuss how the capacitance of the capacitor depends on area of the plates of the capacitor. Now here we are finding that the plate area is 100 millimeter square and distance of separation between them is 10 millimeter. So let us see that what is the capacitance of this capacitor. So when area is 100 millimeter square, the capacitance is 0.89 into 10 to the power minus 13 farad. Now with the help of this arrow you can increase or decrease the area. Now let us say I have increased the area to 108.2 millimeter square. So what did you find? The capacitance becomes 0.96 into 10 to the power minus 13. Now again I am increasing it to say 125.5 millimeter square. So what did you find? The capacitance of the capacitor has increased to 1.11 into 10 to the power minus 13 farad. And one more reading will take, suppose. So let it be 150.7 millimeter square. The area of the plate becomes 150.7 millimeter square, and see the value of capacitance, it is 1.33 into 10 to the power minus 30. Similarly, we decrease the value, let it be say, let it be 131.6 millimeter square. Now what did you find? The capacitance has decreased. One more reading, let us say. Now if the plate area becomes 122.6 millimeter square, the capacitance has decreased to 1.09 into 10 to the minus 13 farad. So what conclusion did we draw, or can we draw? We draw that conclusion drawn by us is that the capacitance of the capacitor increases when area is increased. Capacitance of capacitor decreases when area is decreased. Hence, the capacitance of the capacitor is directly proportional to cross-sectional area. Now here the medium between the plates of the capacitor we have considered air. So medium between the plates of capacitor is constant and separation between them is constant. Next, let us say that now we change the separation between the plates of the capacitor and area being constant. So I have fixed the area to 100 millimeter square and say the distance between them, say it is changed. Now distance between the separation, it is maximum. Okay, now let it be that I have decreased the value to 8.2 millimeter. So what did you find? The capacitance of capacitor is 1.08 into 10 to the power minus 13 farad. Capacitance, distance between the separation is decreased, the capacitance has increased. Now let us see. Now if it is 7.1 millimeter distance, then the capacitance has increased to 1.25. One more reading will take. Suppose the distance between the plates is 6 millimeter. The capacitance has increased to 1.47 into 10 to the power minus 13 farad. So here we have kept area constant and material between medium between the plates of the capacitor as air or vacuum. So when the distance between the plates of the capacitor decreases, capacitance increases. Now let us increase the distance of separation. So suppose I have taken 7.5 millimeter, means I have increased the separation. Then we found that the capacitance has decreased to 1.19 into 10 to the power minus 13 farad. Now if it has increased, distance between them is increased to 8 millimeter, capacitance has decreased to 1.11 into 10 to the power minus 13 farad. And one more reading, let us say 9.1 millimeter, the capacitance had decreased to 0.97 into 10 to the power minus 13 farad. So from this activity we conclude that when distance between the plates of the capacitor decreases, capacitance increases. When distance of separation between plates of capacitor increases, capacitance decreases. So we are finding that capacitance is directly proportional to cross-sectional area or plate area of the plates of the capacitor, and the capacitance is inversely proportional to distance of separation between the plates of the capacitor. Thank you.